Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how easily and simply to download and install Anydesk on your PC. So let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how to do it. First, open your browser here and let's search for Anydesk like this, and click on the first link, and now click on download now. And yeah, it's automatically downloading. Wait a few seconds till it's ready. And yeah, it's ready. So now click on it and click on run. And actually it's here. it was very fast. I mean, it was very quickly. So if you wanna actually install Anydesk, you can click here, and now you need to accept and install here. Install. Wait a few seconds. And yeah, that's it. Now you have Anydesk on your PC. And yep, so that was it. It's installed, it's ready. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like. And also, I told you it's not complicated, it's easy and simple. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, as I said. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitate to leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.